How to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how to fix creator account can't be private on Instagram. If you see this sort of interface, then what you need to do is to fix it. So you simply want to make sure to go ahead and switch it back to personal account. So this happens when you have a business or a professional account. So for that, what you want to do is open up your Instagram application, and then you simply want to go to your profile section and tap on the tab bar icon. Once you go to this section, then you want to go ahead and make sure to click on creator section. So here you have this business tools and control, right? You simply want to make sure to go in the switch account type and make sure to click on switch to personal account. Once you do it, so click on switch personal account or to personal account. And once you are taken to this section, you want to make sure to go to the privacy section, or you could go to account privacy, and then you simply toggle on the button and click on switch to private, and that is how it's gonna work. So that is the way you could do it. So make sure to watch this video right till the end. So that is how it's gonna work. I hope the video was helpful. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.